Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check for software update on iPhone. And here's how it is done. Locate and tap on the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. The icon looks like a gray gear. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select General. This section contains various system-related options. In the General settings, tap on Software Update. This will prompt your iPhone to check for any available software updates. Your iPhone will automatically check for the latest available updates. If your device is up to date, you will see a message saying your software is up to date. If an update is available, you will see information about the update, including its version number and a brief description of what is new or improved. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. You may need to enter your passcode. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin downloading the update. Ensure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and has sufficient battery life or is plugged into a power source to complete the update. To enable automatic updates, go back to the software update page and tap on automatic updates. From here, you can toggle on options for download iOS updates and install iOS updates, ensuring your device installs updates automatically overnight while connected to Wi-Fi. After the update is downloaded, your iPhone may prompt you to restart to complete the installation. Follow the instructions to restart your device if needed. And that is everything you need to know about how to check software update on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.